Hi, this is Carolyn from Wise Owl Factory. I'm going to show you how to make your own newsletter with your own legal art for your elementary classroom. And I'm going to start with Insert Table. I'm going to make it 2 columns, and then I'm going to go to Layout, Margins, Narrow. And then I'm going to pull the table. Okay, now you don't want to have that for your newsletter. So here we'll go to Layout, Merge. So that's going to be the title of your newsletter. Maybe right here you want to write something about language arts. So I'll merge the cells. Okay, so maybe here you want an announcement like remember lunch money or something, and here. And then this is going to be a longer article, so you're going to merge cells. This will not have word flow because a lot of people have trouble with word flow. And then here, maybe there's a larger article. And here. So all you do is merge the cells how you want it, and then you save it. Now for your heading, I'm going to use a fun font, and I will center it. Then right underneath, you probably want your name, room number, and all those things. So now let's use one most people will have. Okay, so over here I want a picture. And the best way to get pictures is to go to sites like Pixabay.com. Pixabay. I'm going to put in school. And then from images, I only want illustrations. I only want black and white. And okay, see, they have 37 pages of school art. It's free for commercial use, but I still can't give it to you. It still would be something you would have to go find yourself. So maybe I have this owl reading a book, and I check over here, the license, free for commercial use, no attribution required. But still, they would prefer you come here and get it. So I'm going to save it as my desktop. And I've saved some other ones. There are several sites where you are able to go and get art for free yourself. If you want a book, if you want a scene like a teacher talking, if you want color, it's okay. I'm going to put in children. And let's see if I can get some black line. Here would be some faces. You'd have to cut the pictures apart. Here's children jumping for joy. Maybe it's going to be field day, and you would want that. Anyway, you pick whatever you want, but you need to check. So here, I'm going to put in Disney. And here's Disneyland. When you look here, the license is editorial use only. That means don't use it. Okay. So here in my header, I'm going to write maybe just reading and spelling. And I'm going to center it. Most things will be centered. Then I want to put in that little owl. So I'm going to use Insert, Picture, this device. I have it on my desktop. Here's the owl. He's too big. So I take the corner and pull, and reduce the size. Now you can't layer in Word, but you can make things smaller. I'll move him to the left, and I'm going to click in line with the text. I'll make it smaller. And then you would write more in there. Okay, and then maybe this is remember lunch money. I would go again to Pixabay, get some picture with money or whatever. Now the problem with this is it needs to be cropped. So I'm going to go up to crop and take out this white space and take out this white space. And then I'm going to reduce the size. At home, I can put it in the middle. And here I could write, fun with math games, and tell about a math game we played this year. And here we could put a globe and write about social studies or whatever. So that's how you can create your very own legal newsletter. Thank you for listening.